Toilet paper is an indispensable household necessity, with daily use being a universal norm. But have you ever wondered about the intricate process that transforms trees into the rolls we depend on? In this video, we'll take you on a fascinating journey revealing the astonishing scale of production involved. In ancient times, toilet paper as we know it was non-existent. Romans resorted to sponges, Vikings made use of wool, while royalty favored more luxurious materials like cotton, lace, and silk. It wasn't until 1879 in the USA that toilet paper, as we recognize it today, was born. Initially sold in pre-cut sheet packs, it wasn't until 1890 that the iconic roll of toilet paper was introduced. Today, the demand for this essential product is so colossal that more than 50 million rolls are produced worldwide daily. Remarkably, during the pandemic, toilet paper sales in the USA skyrocketed by over 800%, making it a focal point in supermarkets. However, meeting this global demand comes at a cost. Thousands of trees are felled for this purpose. Enormous 25-ton harvesters are deployed to cut down these trees with specialized clamps and saws to efficiently process the logs. These logs are then transported to paper factories. At these factories, hundreds of workers receive the logs and unload them with giant pilers capable of lifting several tons. The logs then go through a series of machines that prepare them for the paper-making process. This process involves separating the cellulose fibers from the lignin, which is achieved by mixing wood chips with water and chemicals, heating the mixture to 170 degrees Celsius, and forming a cellulose pulp pool. This cellulose pulp is then bleached with oxygen peroxide and subjected to a hot rolling process to create a low-humidity paper tape. The tape is cut into manageable sheets, compressed to remove excess air, and immersed in a water tank where starch is added to reinforce the fibers. After being mixed for a specified duration, the pulp is combined with recycled paper, including materials such as magazine paper, office paper, and newspapers, over 100,000 tons of used paper every year. The recycled paper is meticulously processed, washing away ink, and then combined with the pulp before being sent to the paper-making machine. This machine spreads the pulp on a mesh that acts as a filter, collecting fibers while letting excess water pass. The paper goes through rollers and presses to remove water, and a heated cylinder further dries it while imparting a softer texture. To achieve that familiar roll format, a specialized curling process is applied. The paper is then wound onto a steel cylinder, which, when separated, causes the paper to wrinkle and stretch, giving it that soft, flexible consistency we all know. The result is a giant roll of toilet paper weighing 2 tons. These rolls are transported using automated machines to another workshop, where they are unrolled and placed on reels. Inside each roll, there is a cardboard cylinder, shaped with a circular mold. Each roll contains an impressive 50 meters of toilet paper, which is then cut into individual rolls, packaged, and sent out for distribution. If you found this video informative, please consider sharing it with others who might find it interesting. See you next time.